motion of the ball is emulated by the movement of a linkage that switches between two paths in the 360-degree cycle. The wheel and the catch are moved by a line attached to the linkage. This video will show how I create this in FreeCAD Assembly4. Create a new file. Switch to Assembly4. Create a new assembly file. Create a new body. Create a new sketch. Select Model, LCS, Task, Paint Face. Draw a circle. mm, 120. Switch to Parts Design. Pad it 4 mm. Create a new sketch on XY plane. Draw two construction lines. -90°. Draw an arc. -40 mm diameter. Snap to the circle. Draw a straight line. Draw an arc to join these 2 points. Make the arc same as the circle. Snap the point to the circle. Change C to 4. Pocket it. Select the pocket. Polar array 40. Duplicate the body view. Move the view to the assembly. Hide the view. Switch to Assembly4. Create a new sketch. Select LCS. Return to Task. Select Pin Face. Show two lines. .75 mm from the origin. 5 mm and 30 mm. External geometry. Select the line to the tooth. Add variable angle. Set the angle as variables.angle. Check reference. Name it as Y black. Run the animation from 0 to 360. Step size 10. Now the line is moving along the arch of the tooth. So it starts at 50 degrees. And ends at 190. Select the sketch and make a duplicate. We name it as fourth. Move it to the body below. Remove the constraint so it doesn't slap to the arch. Draw a circle. Diameter 117.8. Make the line slap to the circle. Change the name to Y4. Run the animation. The line moves along the circle. The motion ends at 50 degrees. And start from 190. But actually, it will hit the tool at 270. Draw a line from the point to the origin. Check the reference. Call it A4. It will be used to turn the wheel. Select the sketch. Make a duplicate. Rename it as master. Move it to the body view. Delete the constraint. Change the y coordinate with a conditional expression. As a line is part of the linkage, so only one additional coordinate is required to fix the position of the point. From 50 to 190 degrees, it will use the y coordinate from the sketch back. From 190 to 50 degrees, it will be the y coordinate from the sketch forth. Now the line switch path at 50 degrees and 190 degrees. This is the length for the pole, 30 mm. So create a new body. It's for the pole. Create a new sketch. Select LCS and paint face. Hide the assembly. The distance is 30 mm from the origin. mm. Use polyline. The origin is the default LCS, so for this part I will use the default LCS for inserting the parts. The critical dimension for this part is 30 mm from the tip to the center of the support. Other dimensions are not very critical. At 4 mm. Apply fillet. Hide the pole. Go to the master sketch and create LCS for the pole. Select the line and use C tangent to edge. Move it to the tip. Need to import datum object, so it will be visible at the parent assembly. Create LCS for the wheel. Select the circle, concentric. Hide the wheel and insert the part. Insert the wheel, parent assembly, LCS origin. So the position looks good. Then insert the pole. Use the LCS just created and the default LCS of the pole. Run the animation. The pole is moving along the tooth. The next step is to rotate the wheel. Go to the LCS the wheel. Change the angle to a conditional expression. When the pole starts to push the wheel at 270 degrees, the wheel will rotate for 9 degrees. The initial position is 18 degrees and ends at 27 degrees. On the animation, change step size to 15. Create a new body. Create a new sketch. Hide the assembly. Draw a stadium. Five mm. 2 mm circle. 3 mm diameter. Pad it 4 mm. Create a new sketch on XY plane. Draw a 2 mm circle. Change C to 4. Pad it 4 mm. A pipe fillet. Change the color. Switch to Assembly4 and create new LCS. Select the bottom circle, concentric. Create a new body. Create a new sketch. Draw a circle. 10 mm. Pad it 3 mm. Apply fillet. Select the face, create a new sketch. Draw a circle, 2 mm. Pat it 4 mm. Apply fillet. Change color. Switch back to Assembly4 and create LCS. Select the bottom circle, concentric. Insert linkage. Parent assembly. Linkage. Default LCS. Adjust Y by 4. Insert the support. Linkage. Hold from the linkage. Support C. Change C to -3. Run the animation. The motion looks good. Duplicate the sketch 4th. Move it to the body view. Rename it. Draw 2 lines. (90° between 2 lines. Draw an arc. (40 mm diameter) at the same dimension as the teeth. Slap it to the line. (60 mm from the origin). It is 27 degrees between these two lines. Draw a line from the origin. It is 54 degrees from the y-axis. Create a point on the line and slap it to the arc. Check reference. So call it X log. Is the position of the catch. When the wheel rotates, this coordinate will change, and it will be used to position the catch. Repeat it for the y coordinate. Open the master sketch. Draw two lines. Make it perpendicular. (20.5 mm) and 12 mm. (42 mm) from the origin. (58 mm) for the y coordinate. Enter the conditional expression for the x coordinate for the tip of the catch. As the support point is fixed, either the x or the y coordinate can fix the position of the tip. Run the animation. The catch moves when the wheel rotates. Create LCS for the catch. So select the line C tangent to edge. So it will be the support point. Import datum object. So the LCS will be visible from the parent assembly. Hide the assembly. Create a new body under the parts. Create a new sketch. LCS and paint face. The origin is the default LCS and it will be used for this part. So the major dimension of this catch is 20.5 from the support point to the bottom of the catch. and the width is 12 mm from the support point to the tip. Other dimensions are not very critical. (20.5 mm) 40 mm, and this is 12 mm from the origin. Pad 4 mm. Apply fillet. Hide the item. Insert it to the assembly. M-lock default LCS. Insert the support piece. Adjust Y by -3. Create a spindle for the wheel. Paint face. (20 mm) diameter. Pad 4 mm. Apply fillet. Change it to amber. Switch to Assembly4 and insert the spindle. Origin. Change the color to blue. Change the color of the pole and the catch too. Hide the LCS. Hide the sketch. If you find this video interesting, please subscribe and give it a like. Thank you for watching.